Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see how to host your Python code in cloud. So I made a simple code which will send you an automatic email at the Monday morning. So let me show you how to host this code in cloud so that you don't have to wake up on every Monday morning and run this code. It runs automatically for free. So first let me open the Chrome and I'll go for Python Anywhere. Python Anywhere. Here we go. And create an account in PythonAnywhere. This is the place where we're gonna host our code. I'll sign up, create a beginner account, username, let's give Heisenberg. We are creating an account or Python or anywhere. Okay, let's click this link. And here we go. Now I'll show you how to host your code. First go to the files. Now what are those? Let it be there. These are default files. So I'll upload my code over here. My code is here in desktop, automation, my Python project, source, main, all these three. Want to know how did I code this one? So we uploaded our file over here. Now what we'll do is we'll go to the console. It will open a new console for you. Your console is empty. Go to this bash over here. After I go to bash, let's wait for some time. Let it load. Loading console. Now we'll run our code. Python 3 main.py. This must run our code. Today's Wednesday, email will only be sent on Monday, which means our code is ran successfully. So the logic which I wrote behind this code is this will check the whether the day is Monday. If it is Monday only, it will be executing the code because I'm scheduling an random code. Code to be sent on Monday to motivate myself. Like this is a codes.txt file where there will be 300 random codes. So it will send one by one codes for me every day based on it will pick randomly and then send me an mail so that I can check the mail and get motivated to work. So it first checks the on the starting of defining of this function I am doing whether it is Monday or not. So actually today is Wednesday, so this code is not being executed and it's thrown the exception which is thrown here. Today is Wednesday, email will be sent only on Monday. So which means our code is working perfectly. Now we have to schedule our code. Go to tasks over here and then this is set as UTC timing. So basically I am from India, so I will see IST to UTC timing. So I want 9 a.m. IST. So 9:30 a.m. IST is 5 a.m. 4 a.m. UTC. Okay, I'll schedule it at 4 a.m. 4:00. Here we have to give that console, whatever the command we ran in console, main.py. This is Monday motivation. All right. Create. And come on, but where is it getting? And here we go. It will be executed every Monday. Task has not run yet because it didn't come 9:30 a.m. It will run every Monday and send me an code. I don't have to wake up every day morning and run this code to send me myself a quote on Monday. So this service scheduled a simple task in Python using completely free and run your code every day without even paying any money. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want this code to be explained, just let me know. I'll explain you. Or I'll upload it in my GitHub and I'll give you the link. If someone needs, just give a comment and I'll upload it straight away and give it to you. Thanks so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.